2.5 years ago, I moved into this shop. It started as an empty building, but we turned it into the home for this channel. We built a bunch of awesome cars here and made a bunch of awesome memories, but it's time to move on, because we're going to Georgia. And here we are, the day of the garage sale. It is the official goodbye for the shop. I don't know what to expect from today. I don't know if 10 people are gonna show up or if 1,000 people are gonna show up.
I got a knife.
But either way, it's gonna be a fun day. And honestly, there's already 10 people here and it's 2 hours before the garage sale starts. So let's just go ahead and start it. Hello, hello.
How you doing, Caleb?
Pretty good, pretty good. Nice to meet all you guys. We're like 5 minutes in and a lot of stuff's gone. My coffee's not gone though, because I haven't had a chance to drink it. Hey! What is going on? You brought so many people with you.
Come for support.
Yeah. Hello, hello, hey, hello. The garage sale just started 3 minutes ago, and I think we've already pretty much sold everything. This is crazy. Look at how many people are here. A lot more people are showing up than I expected. Probably should have expected that. But it's been awesome. We're selling a bunch of stuff. I'm getting to meet a bunch of you guys. One guy came all the way from Nashville. Left 2 a.m. last night to come hang out. I'm finally getting a chance to breathe. It's slowing down a little bit. About an hour after we started, and a lot of the stuff is gone.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Got some donuts.
Is this for YouTube? Hi, Mom.
You're
Hi.
always such a comedian.
Hi. Act natural. This is my V5.
My man Dustin here, he's a semi-truck driver, and he planned his route to stop here on the way back. This is crazy. I like it, it's sick.
The official approval?
Yeah, the official approval.
Thank you very much.
Don't do a burnout. No crowd killing here. See ya. Grill Master's back at it again.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Grill Master and Fire Master. Okay, buddy.
Oh, it's a little dirty, isn't it?
This is multiple drift events worth of residue.
I didn't tell you, but there was meat in the bus, not in the fridge, from one of the last drift events.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
That was like 6 months ago.
Yeah, I know, and it's like 100 degrees in there every day. All right, ladies and gents, some of you guys might remember this from the good old days. This is a Dragon Bone PVC bow I had commissioned probably at least like 8 years ago. I remember making videos with it. And this man right here gets it. He paid for it, to be fair, but it's all his. Close.
Hey! I don't know, man. I'm thinking there's gonna be a bow video.
Hey, that's it. There we go. Hey! Oh!
Oh!
Yeah, that about. Yeah. Thank you for recording.
Yeah.
When I went to Florida, the first truck to store
Hello,
I would like that.
This is a message for your time capsule. I wish you luck in
I was
Georgia.
pretty impressed I could actually still do it.
It's been nice knowing you. Great being friends with you.
He's not dying.
You're gonna see him again.
I look forward to visiting you in Georgia and making dope videos with cars in them. I hope that your cats like Georgia.
Any words for Gingium?
Stay safe.
Attack from the UVs.
I'm gonna miss you, and I'm gonna miss having someone around that has the exact same music taste as me. We have the exact same music taste. Enjoy Georgia. What are they have oranges down there? What is that?
I think so. I think
Yeah,
oranges.
have some oranges for me.
Well, ladies and gents, it is almost 5 o'clock. The garage sale is pretty much done. We have, unfortunately, some junk that we will be throwing in the trash can. Man, this thing is a unit.
Don't worry about it. It's fine.
So they're taking the rally me out of hood. Are you literally shoving it in there?
No, and then we'll just put a strap over here. It's good.
How's the fit?
How do you fit in here?
How's that one?
Oh, it's perfect.
Yeah?
I'm short enough. I'm 5'4", 5'3".
Hell yeah. So one of my fans showed up with a Honda Activie, I think that's how you pronounce it. And then my mom showed up, and now my mom's driving my fan's Honda Activie with my sister.
Your purse is right on top of the handbrake.
My mom knows how to drive stick. This is a weird stick shift because it's on the wrong side.
We're gonna charge in the bottom.
How do you do it? Put it first.
Yeah, and then it's like a normal stick shift.
There we go.
Oh no, it's easy. Everybody else got it pretty easily. Oh.
My mom can drive stick. Can your mom drive stick?
No, my mom hates cars.
Your mom and your sister.
Yeah, in the Honda Activie, yeah. It's almost looking like when we bought it. Some more garbage. I can't believe how much garbage was hiding in this shop. I filled up the dumpster 3 full times. Gotta get rid of the old bus workbench. Thankfully, the new owner of the shop purchased all of the shelves and the lift from me. So much easier than trying to transport all that stuff all the way down to Georgia. I'm hoping to get 2 lifts at the new place, a bunch of shelves. Still gotta deal with all the junk under there. Got rid of all my metal. Still gotta deal with all the oil. This isn't the final goodbye to the shop. The next video, we are actually doing the new fuel system on the Volvo. And then after that, it will be the moving video, most likely. This is the only chair I have left because I sold all the other ones in the garage sale. Anyway guys, that is going to be it. The garage sale went awesome. A bunch of people showed up. We sold pretty much everything. We raised a bunch of money to help with the move and help get new stuff once we get down there. So that is so awesome. But not even just thank you for that. Thank you for the past 2.5 years in this shop. I wouldn't be here now. I wouldn't be able to have this shop without any of your guys' support, and it means so much to me. So thank you so much. Everybody at the garage sale was so cool and so excited about the move, which gets me excited because I'm nervous, man. You know, this is a big step for me. After the garage sale, I'm more excited than I am nervous or stressed or any of those things. We got some stuff to do. We got a Volvo to fix. Ladies and gents, I will see you guys in the next video where we fix the Volvo, put a new fuel system in it. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for the support. Again, peace out. Goodbye.